Okay, now that we're in our thinking chair, let's think. You will help me, right? You will. Great. Okay, so we're trying to figure out what blue hears. And our clues are drops of water, a cloud, and this sound. So, what could blue hear with drops of water, a cloud, and this sound? Well, maybe if the drops of water came out from the cloud, like rain, yeah, and then we hear this sound. Hey, what is that called?
A thunderstorm.
A thunderstorm. Yeah, that's it. Because the drops of water are like rain, and rain comes from a cloud, and we hear this sound. We just figured out Blue's Clues. 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 'Cause we're really smart.